Hello students. Hi. Good morning. Here I am Sunil Harinkhede, English subject assistant, Diet Gondia. Dear children, are you enjoying the learning? Yes. So today subject English grammar, and in this grammar section we are going to learn about types of adverb. Dear children, do you know what is meant by adverb? In our last videos we have already discussed on it, but just let's see. Adverb. What is adverb? An adverb is a word or an expression that modifies a verb and telling more information about the verb. Means the adverb which is telling more information about verb and also modify it. In other words, adverb is answering questions such as how, in what way, when, where, what extent. So answer of these questions, that may be adverb. Let's see with the sentences. For example, I am fully prepared. Yeah, I am prepared. Here prepared is an action, preparing, but how? Fully. So the word fully is adverb. I always go to gym. Pransi writes smoothly. Yeah, telling more information about her action of writing. How she writes? She writes smoothly. So, fully, always and smoothly, these words are telling more information about verb and they are adverb. Dear children, in our last videos we learn about adverb types and their adverb of time, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner. Yeah? And today we are going to learn about its new type, and that is adverb of reason. So it shows why the action is happening. The adverb which shows the reason and aim of the particular action are called adverbs of reason. They are justifying why the action is happening. Yes, they are the adverb of reason. Let's see. He therefore couldn't complete the task. Why he could not complete the task? Therefore. And in this way someone justifies, someone give reason. So here the word therefore is adverb of reason. John is hence to return all money. Hence, because of your friends love you. Because of the bell rang, so he left to the school. Why he left to the school? The bell rang, and the word that is so. Tomorrow will be holiday on account of lockdown. So, therefore, hence, because, so, on account of, these words are adverb of reason. They are justifying, they are clearing what is reason behind a particular action. So they are the adverb reason. Now we are just going to deal with adverbs of affirmation and negation. What is negation? The adverb which declare that something is true or some equivalent expression or negative statement, judgment or a logical proposition. are adverbs of affirmation and negations. Yeah, they shows logical proportion, proposition, negative statement, something is true. Yes, it's our judgment, and these words, they are the adverbs of affirmation and negation. Let's see what are they. I will definitely do that. Yeah, definitely. The lake is clearly visible from my home. Clearly. There was no visibility in the train. No. And my friend never agreed to do it. So definitely, clearly, no, never. So these words shows affirmation and negation. Yes. So they are the adverbs of affirmation and negation. Thank you guys. In this way we learn about adverb of reason and adverbs of affirmation and negation. Thank you guys. We will meet again. Bye.